In this video, you'll learn how to change divider colors in Notion. By following these instructions, you'll be able to customize the appearance of your dividers, allowing for a more personalized workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you are logged into your account, as this will allow you to make the necessary changes. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access the full features of Notion. Next, create a new page by selecting the plus new page option within your workspace. This is typically found in the sidebar. A blank page will open, providing you with a fresh canvas to work on. It is essential to ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during this process. After that, click on the title area of the new page. Here, you can type in a relevant title for your page. This title will help you identify the page later, so choose something descriptive. Once you have entered the title, click on the blank space on the page to ensure your changes are saved. Now type in /equation in the body of the page. This command allows you to insert an equation block into your page. Once you see the equation block option appear, select it to proceed. Take note that Notion may take a moment to process this command, so be patient as it loads. Following this, click on block equation from the options presented. This will allow you to enter a TX equation, which is necessary for customizing your divider. Be mindful that the size of the equation may affect how it appears visually, so keep your design in mind. Then, click on equation to open the equation editor. In this space, you will be able to input the specific command that will change the color of your divider. Ensure that you are entering the correct syntax to avoid errors. Next, select Add a TX equation from the menu. This step is crucial as it allows you to create a visible divider with the color you desire. The system will confirm your selection and you will be able to input your color command shortly after. Type in $colorSred $00px in the equation editor. This command will create a red divider that spans the width of your page. The first value indicates the width, while the second specifies the height. Adjust these values as needed for your layout. Once you have typed the command, click on a blank space to render the equation. The red divider should now appear on your page. If it does not appear as expected, double check the syntax and ensure there are no typos. Next, type in $color read ru 5000px again in the same way. This repetition allows you to create multiple dividers in the same color if desired. Each new entry will also need to be confirmed by clicking on a blank space. Afterward, you will see an error message if the syntax is incorrect. If you encounter a carte parse error, make sure that you are using the correct formatting. Adjust your input accordingly and try again to ensure the equation is processed correctly. Now click on the colored divider that appears, such as $color blue rule 5000px 3px $. This action allows you to modify the color of the divider. By clicking on it, you can access the editing options available. Type in $color blue rule 500px to change the color to blue. If you wish to switch back to red, simply modify the color code as needed. Each change will be reflected immediately upon confirmation. Continue this process by clicking on blank spaces as necessary to create additional dividers. The flexibility of Notion allows for multiple dividers with various colors, enhancing your page's visual appeal. Finally, type in $color rid rule 5ccpx $8 once more to add another red divider. This repetition will help you create a cohesive design throughout your page, ensuring that the dividers match your desired aesthetic. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.